Well, we've got most of the valves out of one of the cylinder heads. One of the cylinder heads is out of the truck and one is still in the truck. And we got all the valve stuff divided up in these baggies, and here is the camshaft and timing system over here. All has come apart. Ooh, and we have, this is a beauty. Ooh, you can see the timing cover. And look how lazy I am. There's a sticker on there and I didn't even clean it off totally. But it looks way better than it did. Very exciting. So we're getting there. I mean, this is a crazy project. Yeah. The other cylinder head, I'm going to have some of the exhaust come out with it. Oh, look at this awful nonsense. So these three posts are still stuck in there. Those are steel posts in this aluminum cylinder head here, and there's like a chemical reaction that takes place between the atoms of the two metals over time, and they get adhered together. So that's why the other cylinder head is going to come out with the exhaust, so that way I don't have to fight these things under the vehicle, because that was terrible. And the passenger side is less accessible than the driver's side. So I think I'm just going to cut part of the exhaust and then have it all come out as one piece, and then separate it in here. Yeah. Anyway, there's a lot of parts. This project is a little overwhelming. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy how complicated this is.